In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you already have a project sheet set up with a Gantt view. The Gantt view is where you see your project timeline laid out in bars across a calendar. This is what we'll be customizing to make your project easier to read and more visually organized. First, open the sheet where you want to update the colors and switch to the Gantt view if you're not already there. You can usually do this by selecting the Gantt view option at the top of the sheet. Once it's open, you should see your task list on the left and the timeline bars on the right. Now, move your mouse over to the Gantt area, specifically over one of the task bars. This is where we'll access the settings. Right-click directly on a Gantt bar. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with a few options related to formatting and display. In that menu, look for the option labeled Color Settings and click on it. This is the central place where you can control how the Gantt bars are colored in your sheet. Once the Color Settings panel is open, you'll usually see options to change the default color for all bars, as well as ways to apply different colors based on certain criteria. For example, you might have different colors for different phases of a project, or to highlight critical tasks versus non-critical ones. Take a moment to look through the available colors and pick one that fits your project style or your team's color conventions. When you choose a new color, you should see the bars update immediately in the background. If you don't like how it looks, you can simply pick a different color until you're satisfied. This immediate visual feedback makes it easy to experiment and find a color scheme that improves clarity and helps key tasks stand out. After you've selected your preferred colors, close the Color Settings panel. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button. Scroll through your Gantt chart to confirm that everything looks consistent and readable. And that's all you need to do to change Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet. With just a right click and a quick trip into color settings, you can make your project timeline much easier for you and your team to understand at a glance.